very soft, as you may see. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today's video, I am making a 2-ingredient bagel that the entire family will love, and it is vegan. All right, so here we go. We have 1 cup of self-rising flour, a cup of yogurt, and the yogurt that I'm using is the vegan yogurt. It's the Kite Hill yogurt, plain unsweetened almond milk yogurt. Add that to your bowl. I'll add a little bit of salt. Don't come for me. You don't have to put salt if you don't want to. All right. And then I will mix this together. While you're doing this, make sure that your oven is being preheated at 350 degrees. And then once you mix everything together, a little bit of flour right here. And guys, this is only gonna make 4 because I'm only making 4 because it's only 4 of us in the house. Okay, this is a quick, simple bagel recipe. This is gonna last for about 3 days, this bagel. See, I'm being very gentle with it because I don't want to overmix. And I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. This is it. I think we worked it out and we got it just where we want it, right? Once again, this is our flour. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. This to the side. As you may see, here we have 4. Okay, I'm gonna put these to the side, and I'm just going to add a little bit of flour here. Then I'm just gonna work with this, just roll it out. And this is the most work you will have to do for this recipe, okay? Just pinch them together like that. I formed my first bagel. I'm gonna make the other 3, and then I will show you what I will do next. Okay, my healthy people, so this is what our bagels look like. Don't forget, we are preheating our oven at 350 degrees. And now I'm just going to get some milk wash, and I'm just going to wash it with some milk. I am using almond milk. Just like that. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box. Guys, I have a lot of great recipes coming out for you guys, so just stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a big thumbs up. 2 ingredients, vegan bagel. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 everything bagels. I have the everything bagel seasoning here. Yes?
Can I do a little seasoning?
Sure you can, yes. And guys, I am using the everything bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Go ahead, put some on this other one, Eve, and that one right there. No, you could just use it, sprinkle it all around.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that, all the way around. And you get the kids involved with this. They absolutely, whoa, okay. They love doing it. Just sprinkle it all like that. And I'm just putting it on 2 because you don't want anything on yours, right, Eve?
No.
Okay. You want to put a little salt on yours?
Yes, a little salt.
A little sea salt or some, okay, here.
Himalayan salt.
Himalayan salt?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys, put this in the oven for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, this is our bagel. Absolutely delicious. 2 ingredients. Very soft, as you may see. Okay, and we have the everything bagel here. Absolutely delicious. 5 minutes before it was finished, I went ahead and brushed a little bit of vegan butter on it, and it's absolutely delicious. We're gonna enjoy this right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have a recipe that you'd like for me to make, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and what? Say it with me. Stay healthy.